This typography tutorial is so easy, you'll be creating stunning designs in Illustrator like a pro. In no time. Welcome to our easy typography tutorial in Illustrator for 2024. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through creating stunning typography designs, perfect for quotes and more. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial is crafted just for you. In this video, you will learn the basics of typography in Adobe Illustrator, how to choose the right fonts for your designs, step-by-step techniques for creating eye-catching text layouts, tips for adding style and flair to your typography, how to incorporate quotes into your designs effortlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the skills to create your own beautiful typography designs that stand out. As you can see, these designs are the result of my own creativity, crafted with a lot of hard work and passion. With dedication and practice, you too can achieve similar results. All it takes is commitment, perseverance, and a love for what you do. Keep pushing forward, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. My name is Humaira Laique, and my channel name is HLGRAPHICS. So here we go and conquer the world of graphics. Now we start our work. For this we need a sentence that we will play with and create a perfect design. I have taken a quote of a celebrity. I'm going to arrange the sentence I'm using right now in front of you. On the left side, you'll notice the names of all the fonts I've used, and yes, you can download them because they're completely free. These 3 fonts are unique, beautiful, and versatile, perfect for adding a creative touch to your projects. Best of all, they are free for both personal and commercial use, so you can use them confidently without any hesitation. Feel free to explore and incorporate them into your own work. In the middle sentence, the distance between the alphabets will be increased, and the size will be decreased. Similarly, we will reduce the size of the bottom sentence and increase the distance between its alphabets. Now we will create an outline of the 3 sentences. Thus all 3 will become objects. We'll align them. After that we will start our next task. Now we will take a duplicate copy of the large text at the top. For this we will go to Edit and click on Copy. Go to Edit again and click on Paste and back. Thus, a duplicate copy will appear below this text. Here I have taken a color red of the duplicate copy. Move the duplicate copy of this red color slightly downwards and you will see the red color. We'll also extract a duplicate copy of the top white layer and set it aside as we'll use it later. Now grab the red and white layer with the selection tool. Now go to the blend and click on Make. Click on the blend again and click on the blending option and extend the space-found steps. Now you are seeing that a 3D look is coming up in front of you as much as you need. When you feel that your text is now good, then you will do it. Now expand it. And go into the Unite, make it a layer. Thus it will move downward in the text length. Some things take a bit of time, you need a lot of demonstrate patience. Work calmly so that your work is not required to be done easily and completed in a proper manner. If you know, computer issues of the Illustrator, Photoshop issues and most power issues, we have to work with all these things. Now we'll make it a little bit more. For this we will go to the offset path. And we'll increase her size slightly. Explore it again. Now we will black this white layer and get a duplicate copy of it that will be white. How to make a duplicate I must tell you in almost every video. Watch my videos. I also tell you how to take a duplicate copy at the beginning of this video. We will go to the Edit, from where we will produce a duplicate copy. But to increase the size of us offset path, I have to go. Thus the duplicate copy that comes to us will be larger than the black layer. Expand it when this duplicate copy is ready. And once click on the Unite of the Pathfinder. Now the white layer we have kept up the top will fit it on top of it. You see how great our design looks. Set your design well when your work is done. Now we will work next. We'll lock the top white layer in the layer panel. And the bottom of it will catch both white and black layers with the help of selection tools and go to the pathfinder here. We will click on the divide. Thus both colors will be separated. Here we have to delete the black part. We'll lock the white layer. And delete the black part through a magic wand tool. One of the most common challenges for new learners is diving into a task without fully understanding all the steps involved. This approach can lead to confusion and make the process much more difficult than it needs to be. It's essential to remember that taking the time to grasp the entire task before starting can significantly improve your work and overall experience. I encourage you to listen carefully to the complete instructions before you begin working on any project. This ensures that you're fully aware of what's required at each stage, allowing you to approach the task with confidence and clarity. For those who are new to the process, it's especially important to watch the tutorial videos carefully. Don't hesitate to replay the videos multiple times until you are comfortable with each step. Repetition is a powerful tool in learning, and by reviewing the material as often as necessary, you'll gain a better understanding and be able to execute the task more effectively. Remember, patience and thoroughness are key to mastering any new skill. So take your time, watch the videos carefully, and make sure you fully understand the process before diving in. This approach will help you produce better work and grow more confident in your abilities. Now align the 3 layers and set them well on top of each other. I have also put a star below. You can also use your own logo here. Group them all like this. I am showing it enlarged. After completing all this work, we will apply a trick on it which will change its appearance. You will be surprised that with just one click the shape of the text will change completely without any effort, and you will have a perfect design in front of you with a completely new look. There is such magic in Illustrator that when you use its keys, you will be amazed at how easy it is to do what you thought was so difficult, so neatly and with so much perfection. Go to Effects and click on Warp there. Many options will open in front of you. Click on Arch here. As soon as you do this, your design will take the form of an arch. How did you feel? You have seen how easily we have changed the look of the design. This is the advantage of Illustrator. You must also take advantage of this. Watch my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And wait for my next video. Thank you.